Hello little kids, welcome to Sky Tiny Tots, where learning is full of fun and surprises. Today we are diving into the exciting world of cricket and discovering 10 amazing facts you have never heard before. So get ready, stay curious, and let's begin our cricket adventure.
The crowd is cheering, the players are ready, and the game is about to begin. From powerful sixes to lightning-fast bowling, cricket is full of excitement. Let's discover some amazing cricket facts that make this sport so exciting around the world. Did you know cricket is one of the world's most popular sports? Millions of fans enjoy watching and playing it every day. Did you know a cricket ball can travel faster than 150 kilometers per hour? That's as fast as some cars on a highway. Did you know a cricket wicket has 3 stumps and 2 bails? Bowlers try to knock them down to get a wicket. Did you know cricket bats are made from special willow wood? It helps players hit the ball powerfully. Did you know a 6 is scored when the ball flies over the boundary? It's one of the most exciting shots in cricket. Did you know the first Cricket World Cup was played in 1975? Teams from around the world competed for the trophy. Did you know a cricket wicket has 3 stumps and 2 bails? Bowlers try to knock them down to get a wicket. Did you know cricket is played in over 100 countries worldwide? People everywhere love this exciting game. Did you know every cricket team has 11 players? Teamwork is the key to winning matches. Did you know some players score 100 runs in very few balls? That's called a lightning-fast century. Thanks for watching. See you again for more fun facts and learning adventures.